Hello viewers, welcome to the channel.
Are you Alan today? Don't worry. Today we are going to build a script where you can beat a robot playing rock paper scissors. Before starting the fun part, please be sure to subscribe the channel, allow all the notifications. If you like the idea, like the video too. Please share this video who needs it. Let's start our project today. Open the PyCharm. Create a new project. And I'm creating this project under the Do with Python series, naming it as RPS for rock paper scissors. Okay, let's get rid of this code. We will just use three packages here which are built in with Python. We'll use random, time, and array. We'll use array package to match the input of user so that we can validate the input. At first, I am taking an variable called run as true. While the run is true, my game will continue. At first, I will take an input from user, which will be rock, paper, or scissors. Let's print some title here. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Now I am initializing a variable called my choice where I will take an input as my choice from rock, paper, and scissors. So here R for rock, P for paper, and S for scissors. So now I have to check if not match R P P S S. So if my choice is not R, P, or S, then I will tell the user to re-enter the choice between R, P, S, and I will continue the loop from here so that the loop don't go ahead. So if I now test by entering any false letter, like if I enter Z, it will tell me to re-enter the choice between R, P, and S. It will continue until I enter a valid letter. Now assume that I have entered a valid letter. Print my weapon as my choice. Now in the same way, the robot will choose a letter from R or P or S. Okay, so I am creating a choice list for the robot where the element will be R, P, S. I will initialize the robot choice variable where I will use random dot choice method to choose a letter from the choice list. Now I will print my robot's weapon as robot choice. Before going further, just make a test here. If I input R, my weapon is R. and robot's weapon is S. So both weapon is printing perfectly. Now we have the both weapons and we can compare with each other. If my choice dot upper, here the upper method will always use the uppercase letter of my choice. To print this with uppercase letter, we can also use upper here. So if my choice is equal to robot choice, that means if both of our choice is same, then I will print sky. Let's see the next round. Now the biggest part, we will check when we will win this round. So to check that, we can my choice dot upper exactly equal to rock and robot choice exactly equal to scissor. That means if my choice is R and robot's choice is S, then I will win the round. In the same way, if my choice is scissor and robot choice is pepper, I will also win the round. Same way, if my choice is paper and the robot choice is rock, then in all of these conditions I will win the game or win the round. Okay, now I am printing for you beat the robot in this round. Here, before going to next round, I want to wait for some time so that I can see who is winning the previous round. I'm waiting only 3 seconds here. And now in all other conditions, that means else, robot wins this round or robot won this round. That means if these conditions are true, then I won, otherwise the robot won. We have to check another thing, that whoever won the 2 rounds first, he will win the game and the game will stop there. To count the winning, we can take 2 variables here. One is for my win count, which is 0 at the initial stage, and another is for robot win count, which is also 0 at the initial stage. But whenever I win a round, my win count will increase 1. Same way, whenever robot win a round, the robot win count will increase by 1. And here I am also waiting for 3 seconds so that I can see this printing on the screen. Now as my winning count and robot winning count is calculating, so I can check if my win count greater than or equal to, then I have won the game here. You beat the robot in this game. If robot win count greater than equal to I'll print robot on this game. Better luck next time. Okay, by doing this we are counting our winning count and also printing the game result. But to stop this while loop, we have to change our runs value to false. Make it happen, we have to just change this value here, so that whenever the winning count is reached, our loop stops there. Now let's run the script. It is telling to choose an option. I am choosing pepper. My weapon is pepper, robot's weapon is pepper also, so the game is tie. Let's see the next round. Okay, in this time my choice is rock and robot's choice is pepper. As pepper beats the rock, so robot won this round. Let's see another round here. I am taking scissors in this time, and my weapon is scissors and robot's weapon is rock. As you know, rock always beats scissors. The robot won this round too. So when robot won 2 rounds, he has won this game. Better luck next time. Okay, let's play the game again. Let's see if we can win this time. I am taking paper, robot also took paper, so the game is tie. Now I am taking scissors, again tie. I am taking rock, and the robots took scissors, so I won this round. Before going to the next round, let's test with a false letter here. I am using Q. It is telling me to re-enter the choice between R, P, S. That means this round didn't count. I am again entering rock. Robot's weapon was pepper, so robot won this round. So until now, robot won 1 round and I won 1 round. Now again tie. Robot owns another round, so the robot won this game. Okay, my luck is not so good now. You can try this one and comment down below if your luck got better than me. Before going away, please subscribe to the channel and turn on all the notifications. If you like the idea, then like the video too. Also share the video who needs it. Thank you very much.